education, pupils of the Cumberland Primary School in Region 6 are now beneficiaries of digital learning kits.
Hundreds of Region 6 learners now have access to digital learning programs. The Digital Learning Initiative is part of a project called Pro Futuro, funded by the Organization of American States, OAS. Education Minister the Honorable Dr. Nicolette Henry, who handed over the equipment to the schools on Monday, said the provision of the digital learning kits is testimony of government's thrust to ensure excellent education opportunities for all.
The government of Guyana is adamant in its quest to bridge all educational barriers and create excellent educational opportunities for all learners.
JEAN-RICOT DORMEUS, OAS representative in Guyana, noted that the initiative aims to provide digital literacy.
I am very happy that Cumberland and this region benefit from this project because your village will be in a better position to produce great minds to Guyana.
He added that the OAS will continue to support the government of Guyana to bring services to the most challenged communities across the country. Regional Educational Officer Acting BHAGMATIE CRUZ revealed that 26% of primary schools in the region now benefit from the program. This, she added, will provide learners with the necessary skills to be productive and literate in an increasingly digital world.
It is a good day for advancement of ICT, specifically digital learning, and more so, a good day for international collaboration for the purpose of advancing education in our country.
Earlier in January, Hosororo Primary in Region 1 received the first batch of Pro Futuro digital learning kits. NATESHIA Isaacs, for InfoHub.